Assalamu alaikum 7th class, hope you are all fine. Subject computer science, unit number 3, more on word. Students, in the previous lecture we have studied about thesaurus in word document. Now today we are going to study about inserting symbol, topic number 3.2.7 and it's on page number 63. Word 2010 provides a special feature to insert special characters or symbols that do not appear on the keyboard. By using the following way, we can insert any symbol in the document. Number 1. Click the symbol command button in the symbol group of insert tab. A list of some popular or recently used symbol will appear. Number 2. Selecting a symbol from the menu inserts that special symbol in the document where the insertion point is blinking. In the diagram, you can see this is the symbols menu. Now we will perform this practically. Students, click on the insert tab. Here you can see in the symbols group, here is the icon of symbol. Click on it. As you can see the different symbols in the menu. You can also insert more symbol. Here you can see hundreds of symbols and you can use any one of them in your document. For example, I am going to write is equal RAND and round brackets, press enter key. Now in the second paragraph I want to insert a symbol. Choose any one of them. Here you can see the symbol. Same as in the third, I want to insert another symbol. Choose and click on insert. This is the method of how can you insert a symbol in a document. Now the next topic, 3.3, formatting text. A feature in Word that can enhance the appearance of the text in a document is called formatting text. By using this feature, a user can use various fonts, styles and colors to highlight important text. We have studied all of these and some other formatting features like highlighting text and alignment of text in previous classes. By using formatting features, a user can also change the line spacing in the document. Students, formatting text in Microsoft Word refers to controlling how text appears in your document. This includes the size, color and font of the text. It also covers text alignment, spacing and letter case. Do you know, students, a font is a set of characters with a specific design. Topic 3.3.1, changing the line spacing. The amount of vertical space between lines of text is known as line spacing. In Word 2010, the default line spacing is 1.15. It is okay for some users because the sentence do not seem so crammed together, but a user can also customize it. To change the line spacing of an entire document, proceed as follows. Number 1. Open blank page and type is equal to round bracket and then press enter key. Sample text will appear. Step 2. Select the change styles, then style set from the styles group of home tab. Number 3. Hover the pointer over different style sets in the list. Their live preview will be displayed. Number 4. Click on any style, here manuscript, the entire document will change. As you can see in this picture, line spacing after using manuscript style. To change the line spacing in selected parts of document, number 1. Highlight the text to change. Number 2. Click on the line and paragraph spacing button in the paragraph group of home tab. Number 3. Select the spacing you want. Live preview will be displayed on hovering over the different spacing options. Number 4. Click on desired line spacing to set in. Now students, we will perform all these steps practically. Students, as I have opened a blank document, now I am going to type is equal RAND round brackets, press enter key. As you can see, sample text is appearing. Now you have to select the change styles from the home tab. You can see the different styles in my styles group of home tab. Now select any one of them. Now students, you have to select the text. Now I am going to select the heading 1. Now the second paragraph, you can use any one of them. Title, you can see the difference, students. Now students, we are going to change the line spacing in selected part of document. For example, I am going to select the last 3 paragraphs of my text. Now in paragraph group of home tab, you can see the line and paragraph spacing. Click on it. Here you can see the different measurements of line spacing. You can select any one of them as per your choice. The default line spacing is 1.15. I am going to choose the 2.0, and you can see the difference in line spacing. Now 2.5, now 3.0. You can select any one of them as per your requirement. Students, come to the exercise. Today we are going to cover exercise A, question number 9. Why does a user format text in MS Word? Students, its answer is on page number 64. Because by using this feature, a user can use various font styles and color to highlight important text. And by using formatting feature, a user can also change the line spacing in the document. Now the next question, question number 10. Define the term line spacing in Word document. Its answer is also on page number 64. The amount of vertical space between lines of text is known as line spacing. In Word 2010, the default line spacing is 1.15. Now the question number 11. What is meant by text formatting? Its answer is on page number 64. A feature in Word that can enhance the appearance of the text in a document is called formatting text. Students, you have to learn these short questions. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.